my channel. This one is fun. It's so hot outside. I need to go and do something upstairs to cool down. Fun. I mean, this is wall art, wall decor, whatever you want to call it, for my craft room. I've been wanting to make it for quite a while, and today was the day. So if you would like to see how I made this absolutely bright neon throwback to the 90s, then keep on watching. So I am just sitting up in my craft room today. It is the hottest day, the hottest June day on record here in the UK, and yeah, I can't take the heat, so I'm like, let me go and make something, which I was going to make anyway, but I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. And you might remember a few videos back I made this sign for my kitchen. Now, a few of you said I could have anything. I think I had it as eat, and then obviously anyone who knows I am a tea lover. However, once I made it, I put it up, I couldn't love it. I thought I wanted it, it didn't work. I put it everywhere in the kitchen, I tried everything, so I decided to change it up, and I went out and bought some more letters. So I am going to be making a different word, and this time it is going to go on the wall in my craft room. And yes, you guessed it, create. Okay, so this is going to go up here on the wall along here, and I have been planning it for a while, but today's the day. And all I'm going to be using is really straightforward. It's going to be quite funky in colour. I'm using these duct tapes that I got from Lidl's. I just happened to be in there to get some lunch the other day, and I saw these, and these were £1, I think £1.70 each, a bargain, and they're 3 meters each. So I'm going to be using these guys to brighten them up, and the tops, the surfaces, are going to be my mirror contact paper. Anyway, I can't wait to get started, so let's go. I am using this mirror contact paper. You might have seen me use it for my doormat mirror DIYs. I've got quite a lot left over and enough to, yeah, put on every single letter. But I did see this DIY on another YouTube video, and I cannot find the video. So if any of you guys know, if you recognise this, if you can tell me whose video this was on so I can thank them. I saw it on their craft wall, literally above all of their shelves, and I just thought, yes, love it, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, if you guys know where I saw that, please let me know so that I can give them full credit for inspiring me to do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my mirror paper down, put my letters on, trace around, and cut them out. Pretty straightforward, really. So pretty straightforward, definitely famous last words. If you hear me say that again, slap me. So yeah, the letter C was a little bit more fiddly because I had some excess over the edge, and it was hard, really hard to cut that off. So that was a bit fiddly. However, this time around, I'm going to go around it with a biro so that I am going to get right in there and then just cut a tiny bit away from the edge. If you are doing letters, remember to flip reverse your letters so that when you cut it out, it will show up the right way. So I am going to use this really sparingly. I'm starting to worry I'm not going to have enough. So this video might actually not work out. Okay, that is every letter done with the mirror sticker. I am keeping every single tiny little offcut from this mirror sticker because you never know what you'll need it for. So the next thing to do is the duct tape. So the final thing to do is to just wrap the sides in this funky bright duct tape. Now, I wish I was this funky. This is like 90s throwback. So yeah, the plan is go around all the edges with the duct tape, and I don't know if I will need to wrap it over yet or just cut off the excess, but we'll see as we go. I am loving it. I am feeling so 90s right now. Oh, what is that song? I can't even think. I was gonna sing it for you, but I can't. Yeah, I actually love it. I'm gonna put it on the wall now, see what it looks like, but I will say goodbye at this point, and thank you so much for watching, and stay to the end. I will show you what it looks like on the wall, but I love it. Oh my goodness me. Seriously, throwback, absolute throwback. Maybe a bit of Kylie Minogue, what do we think? Thanks for watching, guys, and give me a big fat thumbs up. Do comment down below. Thank you again for everything. See you in the next video. Bye.